What is it? What is it? It's a bike.
Oh. Put your leg over.
Get on. You know how to get on. All right.
Put your feet on the pedals.
Blow your horn.
There you go.
Blow your horn.
We can push it.
Whoa.
Hey!
Go.
Pops like the horn.
Can you go fast? Oh, that's easier.
Okay. He likes going backwards. Watch where you're going. Gotta turn it.
All right.
Well, his legs can't get any longer. He won't. Excuse me.
Do you like it? Honk your horn.
Mickey.
You like it? Yeah, Mimi's over here. Can you tell Mimi thank you?
Two.
You better.